Hello friend, today we are going to learn the element of winning system. In winning system associated completely seven main element, and that is the first element is input or arrival, means in bracket inter arrival distribution. Arrival distribution means it represents the pattern in which the number of customers arrive at the service facility. Arrival may be represented by inter-arrival time, which is the period between two successive arrivals. Arrival may be separated by equal interval of time or by unequal but indefinitely known the interval of time or by unequal interval of time whose probability are known, and these are called the random arrival. The rate at which customer arrive to be serviced, that is the number of customer arriving per unit of time, is called arrival rate. When arrival rate is random, the customer arrive in no logical pattern or order over time. These represent most cases in the business world. When arrival are random, we have to know the probability distribution describing the arrivals, specifically the time between arrival. Management scientists have demonstrated that the random arrival are often best described by the Poisson distribution, which was discussed in some detail. Arrival are not always Poisson, and we need to be certain that the assumption of Poisson distribution in approximate before we use it. Mean value of arrival rate is represented by lambda, and it may be noted that the Poisson distribution, which means arrival rate lambda, is equivalent to the exponential distribution of inter-arrival time, and which means inter-arrival time is 1 by lambda. And second basic element is service distribution. It represents the pattern in which the number of customers leave the service facility. Departure may also be represented by the service time, which is the time period between two successive service. Service time may be constant or variable but known or random. If the service time are randomly distributed, we have to find out what probability distribution best describes their behavior. In many cases where service time are random, management scientists have found that they are best described by the exponential probability distribution. If the service time are exponentially distributed and arrival Poisson distributed, the mathematics necessary to study the waiting line behavior is somewhat easier to develop and use. The figure means graph is plotted between probability probability in y-axis, and x-axis is represented the service time. And that graph is like this pattern. Means this figure means this graph service time versus probability illustrates as the exponential probability distribution of service time. From this, we find that the probability of long service time is rather small. Means if time is increased, then probability also decrease. The rate at which one service channel can perform the service, that is, the number of customers served as per unit of time, is called service rate. This rate assumes the service channel to be always busy, that is, no ideal time is allowed. Mean value of service rate is represented by mu, and in business, the problem more cases of uniform service rate will be found than of the uniform arrival rates. And third element of Queuing system is service channel. The queuing system may have a single service channel, arriving the customer may from one line and get service. As in a doctor clinic, the system may have number of service channels which may be arranged in parallel or in series or a complex combination of both. In case of parallel channel, the service customer may be serviced simultaneously. As in the barber shop, for series channel, a customer must pass successively through all the channels before service is completed. Example, a product undergoing different process or different machine or student. During admission, going through one counter after another before all admission formalities are completed. A waiting line model is called one server model. When the system has one server only, and a multi-server model when the system has number of parallel channels each with one server. Sometimes several service channel may feed into one subsequent service channel. For example, service ticket booth in a theater may send all the ticket holder to single ticket collector at the entrance of the theater. On other hand, sometimes a single service channel may disperse customer among the service channel that come after it. For example, an inquiry clerk in an office. Then fourth element is service discipline. Service discipline or order of service is the rule by which the customer are selected from the waiting line for service. The most common discipline is first come, first serve, according to which the customer are served in the order of their arrival. Example, cinema, ticket window, railway station, bank, etc. Other discipline is last come, first serve, as in a big go down where the item arriving last are taken out first. Still, other discipline include the service in random order, and the priority is said to occur when an arriving customer is chosen for service ahead of some other customers already in the waiting line. A unit means customer is said to have pre-imperative priority if it is not merely goes to the head of the waiting line but displaces any until already being served. When it arrives, provide that the order of service is not related to service time. It does not affect the waiting line length or average waiting time, but it does affect the time as individual customer has to wait. The service discipline therefore affect the deviation of equation used for analysis. In this text, only most common service discipline first come first serve will be assumed for further discussion. Then fifth element is maximum number of customer. Maximum numbers of customer allowed in the system. Maximum number of customer in the system can be either finite or infinite. In some facilities, only a limited number of customers are allowed in the system and new arriving customers are not allowed to join the system unless the number become less than limiting value. Then sixth element is calling source or population. The arrival pattern of the customer depend on the source which generate them. If there are only a few potential customers, the calling source is called finite. If there are larger number of potential customers, said to be infinite. There is still another rule for categorizing the source as a finite or infinite. Finite source exists when an arrival affects the probability of arrival of potential future customer. For example, a battery of M running machine is finite source as far as the machine repairs situation is conquered before any machine breakdown. The calling source consists of M potential customer. As soon as the machine breakdown, it becomes a customer and hence has not generate another call until it get service means repair. An infinite source is said to be exist when the arrival of customer does not affect the rate of arrival of potential future customer. Then number point is customer behavior. The customer's behavior is also very important in the study of waiting line. If the customer decided not to enter the waiting line since it is too long, he is said to have bulk. If customer enter the waiting line but after some time lose patience and leave it, he is said to have reneged. When there are two or more parallel waiting lines, and customer move from one waiting line to other, they are said to be joking.